I got in barber school. Guys started opening doors for me, you know, that I couldn't open on my own. Always trying to prove myself, and I'm the owner of the Man Cave.
All right, guys, what's up? Today's a special day. It's a day in the life. You guys been following me around with everything we got going on here. But as I said earlier, extremely busy, so I wasn't able to go get my hair cut in weeks, as you can tell. My guy here, Brian, he's special, man. He's able to meet you where you're at. If you're in the Mount Juliet area, Lebanon area, he can cut you there. He's got good barbers at the shop as well, not just him. One of the things that he's launching is he's doing a personal service where he can meet you where you're at. The price of convenience, you can't put a price on convenience. We're gonna do it inside this place. So anything you wanna say, Brian?
Hello, my name's Brian Jones. I'm from Mount Juliet, Tennessee. I've been here since '73, and I'm the owner of the Man Cave. And I met Patrick a couple months ago, and he's been a blessing to me ever since.
Yeah, man. I'm super pumped for this. Let's get this thing going, right? Let's do it. All right, let's do it, bro. Good.
Hanging around the wrong people. I was into drugs, doing some stupid stuff, man. I always say sin will take you farther than you want to go and keep you longer than you want to stay and make you pay more than you want to pay. You know, sin is the, you know what I mean? And I knew better. Like I said, man, I was raised right. I made a mistake, and God used that. All things work together for my good. God used that. You know, he had to humble me, man. I was hard-headed and stubborn and strong-willed. I get it from my mama. I got sentenced to Northwest Penitentiary. It was the roughest prison in the state of Tennessee because I had a homicide charge, and you know, it's like waking up and just in a hole. My bad choices just put me in a place where I didn't want to be. But man, I thank God for prison, brother Patrick, because it saved my life, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, I mean, God used it. All things, you know, you got to hit rock bottom before you realize what, you know, before you got to be humbled, man. It's all about humility and surrender. And
sometimes when stuff like that happens, you know, they turn to do the worst. You know, they never change, but you know, it takes a special person when something like that does happen to make a decision, changing their life around.
Yeah.
And then ultimately, like I said, fast forward to today, be a successful businessman in the area, helping lots of
changing lives, man. Yeah. It's all God, Patrick. You know what I mean? It's all him, dude. I just surrendered to him and got out and kept God major, you know, what was Matthew 6:33 say? Seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all these things should be added unto you. God puts great people around you, man, you know, and to help you along the way. It was his favor, like I said, that he started opening doors for me. There was a barber school in there, and his name was Gerald Jones, and me and him hit it off instantly because, you know, he's a Jones. So me and him hit it. I got in barber school. Guys started opening doors for me, you know, that I couldn't open on my own. So he gave me favor with the wardens. I worked for the warden. I was cutting their hair, all the staff. They were feeding me cheeseburgers every now and then. I was getting some good street food there for a minute.
Definitely needed it.
It's great.
Yeah, like I said, guys, hit him up. Brian, the Man Cave. He's not just at the Man Cave. Like I said, he's got a shop there with good qualified barbers cutting all day, but he can meet you where you're at. As he came here today, it's like 8:30, 9 o'clock. Right. Who do you know does that? You know, this special service for, you know, he takes care of you. So I couldn't complain, man. I'm very happy and just super excited. You guys gotta check him out. I'll put all his information right here in the video. Local guy. Like I said, I'll be getting my cut here, a cut with you for many years to come. So,
good, bro. Thank you. Thanks for having me, man. Thank you for having me, man. Appreciate it, man. Yeah. Call me anytime.
For sure, I will.
Be glad to take care of you.
Absolutely.